everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix notification sound not working on iPhone. Early notifications on your iPhone can be frustrating, especially when you miss important alerts. This video will help you to restore your iPhone's notification sound quickly and easily. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. First step is check silent mode. Locate the switch on the left side of your iPhone above the volume button. The switch so the orange indicator is not showing, and you are done. And the next step is deactivate do not disturb and focus modes. Swipe down from the top right corner to access the control center and look for the focus icon. Tap on it and tap on the do not disturb mode if it is highlighted, and you are done. And the next step is adjusting notification volume on iPhone. For this, go to settings. Next, scroll down and go to sound and haptics option. Adjust the ringtone and alert slider to set the volume for notifications. And disable change with buttons to keep notifications volume consistent. And you are done. And the next step is configuring app specific notification sound. For this, open settings. Next, scroll down and go to notifications. Then find the specific app such as FaceTime. Tap on its toggle button next to allow notification and then choose sounds. Toggle the notification sound on or off as needed, and you are done. And the next step is restart your iPhone. For this, you just need to press and quickly release the volume up button and do the same with volume down button and press the power button. Next, a slider shows up, so slide to power off, wait for some time, and after some time press the power button again until you see the Apple logo on your home screen. And you are done. By following these steps, you can troubleshoot and fix issues with notification sound on your iPhone, ensuring you stay connected and informed. And also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.